The wake-up moment. They say poverty isn't just about money. It's about habits. Every day, millions of people wake up with dreams of becoming wealthy, but their daily actions quietly pull them in the opposite direction. If you want to change your financial future, don't just wish for money. Change the habits that are silently stealing it from you. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Today, we are going to uncover the 10 habits that keep people poor, and more importantly, how you can break free from them. 1. Living without a budget. Poor people say, "I'll figure it out later." Rich people say, "Every dollar has a job." If you don't tell your money where to go, it will always leave you. Create a simple budget. Track your expenses. Control your money before it controls you. 2. Spending to impress others. Too many people go broke trying to look rich. That new phone, designer shoe, or flashy car won't fill the emptiness of insecurity. The truth? Real wealth is silent. Confidence doesn't need to shout. 3. Ignoring financial education. You can't build what you don't understand. People spend years studying entertainment and gossip, but not 1 hour learning about investing, credit, or savings. The rich don't work for money. They learn how money works for them. 4. Depending on one source of income. A job is a blessing, but depending on only one is dangerous. One paycheck away from disaster isn't stability, it's survival. Start a side hustle. Learn a skill. Build something that pays you even when you're asleep. 5. Living in debt to look comfortable. Debt can be a tool or a trap, and most people use it wrong. Borrowing for things that lose value is like digging your own hole and calling it progress. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it once. 6. Procrastinating growth. I'll start saving next month. I'll learn investing when I'm older. No, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Every delay costs you compound interest, opportunity, and freedom. 7. Surrounding yourself with small thinkers. Your income is often the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If everyone around you complains, spends recklessly, and hates growth, you'll soon do the same. Surround yourself with dreamers, hustlers, and doers. Energy is contagious. 8. Fearing risk and change. The poor avoid risk. The rich learn how to manage it. Every opportunity hides behind discomfort. You can grow in a comfort zone, and you can win without betting on yourself. 9. Not setting goals. You can't hit a target you don't aim for. Drifting through life without goals is like sailing with no map. You'll end up anywhere, usually nowhere. Write your financial goals down. Review them daily. Remind yourself why you started. 10. Thinking small and settling for less. The biggest poverty isn't empty pockets. It's a limited mind. The poor say, "That's impossible." The wealthy say, "How can I make it possible?" Never stop learning. Never stop believing. You deserve more than survival. You deserve freedom. The turning point. You see, poverty isn't just a lack of money. It's a lack of direction, discipline, and belief. The moment you change how you think, your life begins to change with it. Don't wait for luck. Don't wait for a miracle. Change your habits. Change your circle. Change your mindset. Because the difference between rich and poor isn't luck, it's choice. If this message woke something inside you, share it. Because someone you love is still trapped by these habits. And this video might just be the wake-up call they need. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.